Hello everyone, in this video we need to review our stuff about integrals and applications. We need to know to prepare for the AP Calculus BC exam. First we have the formula antiderivative of k f of s ds is going to be k times antiderivative of f of s ds. Number 2, antiderivative of f of s plus and minus g of s ds equals antiderivative of f of s ds plus and minus antiderivative of g of s ds. Number 3, antiderivative of ds equals s plus c. Number 4, antiderivative of s to the n ds equals s to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Number 5, antiderivative of ds over s is going to be ln absolute value of s plus c. Number 6, antiderivative of a to the s ds equals a to the s over ln a plus c. Number 7, antiderivative of e to the s ds is going to be e to the s plus c. Number 8, antiderivative of e to the as plus b ds is going to be 1 over a e to the as plus b plus c. Number 9, antiderivative of ds over square root of a square minus s square equals sine of s over a plus c. Number 10, antiderivative of ds over a square plus s square is going to be 1 over a tangent of s over a plus c. Number 11, antiderivative of sine s ds equals negative cosine s plus c. Number 12, antiderivative of sine of a s plus b ds is going to be negative 1 over a cosine of a s plus b plus c. Number 13, antiderivative of cosine s ds equals sine s plus c. Number 14, antiderivative of cosine of a s plus b ds equals 1 over a sine of a s plus b plus c. Number 15, antiderivative of secant square s ds is going to be tangent s plus c. Number 16, antiderivative of cosecant square s ds is going to be negative cotangent s plus c. Number 17, antiderivative of secant s tangent s ds is going to be secant s plus c. Number 18, antiderivative of cosecant s cotangent s ds is going to be negative cosecant s plus c. Number 19, antiderivative of tangent s ds. This guy actually antiderivative of sine s over cosine s ds, right? And it's going to be negative ln absolute value of cosine s plus c. Number 20, antiderivative of cotangent s ds is going to be antiderivative of cosine s over sine s ds, and it's going to be ln absolute value of sine s plus c. Number 21, we're going to talk about the average value of the function. It's going to be 1 over b minus a, denoted from a to b of f of s ds, right? Number 22, integration by part. The antiderivative of u dv is going to be u times v minus antiderivative of v du, right? And remember, in order to do integration by part, you need to know the acronyms L, I, A, T, E. Alright, to memorize this one, just know this. Lion 8. L stands for logarithmic. Number 23. We're going to talk about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus. We have the integral from a to b of f prime of s ds is going to be f of b minus f of a, right? Where f is the antiderivative of f prime, right? So then you have f of b equals f of a plus the integral from a to b of f prime of s ds. This formula is used a lot in the contest. Now we have the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus in contest. We have the current amount equals initial amount plus the integral from t1 to t2 of rate in subtract rate out. dt. Now number 24, we have the improper integrals. The integral from a to infinity of f of s ds equals limit of the integral from a to b of f of s ds when b approaches infinity. Number 25, the integral from negative infinity to b of f of s ds equals limit of the integral from a to b of f of s ds when a approaches negative infinity. Now number 26, if the function ls has a vertical asymptote at s equals a, then the integral from a to b of f of s ds equals limit of the integral from s to b of f of s ds when s approaches a plus. Number 27, if the function ls has the vertical asymptote at s equals b, then the integral from a to b of f of s ds equals limit of the integral from a to s of f of s ds when s approaches b minus. Now number 28 is the combination of this guy and this guy. If you have the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of f of s ds, it's going to be limit of the integral from t to a of f of s ds when t approaches negative infinity. Limit of the integral from a to t of f of s ds when t approaches positive infinity. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.